How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Well, it doesn't really matter, because after an insane rally of wood prices, we're finally calming down. And for the month of June, we saw lumber prices tumble by roughly 40%. However, you're probably not seeing those price reflections in the stores as much because, let's face it, the store paid a lot more for the wood and they want to recoup those losses. So when they sell all of that supply, that's when you'll see prices start to come down even more in the store. I really thought by now we'd be nearing the end of the pandemic, but lo and behold, we now have Mr. Delta. And here I thought, finally, we'll be able to better understand which way the market is going to flow. And well, I was wrong. So let's get on with it and jump into Westchester's numbers to see what we're working with for the month of June. As usual, today we'll be going over the 5 key indicators of the market. That's median sales price, new listings, pending sales, days on market, and homes available for sale. And all I ask in return is that you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go. First up is median sales price. Now, just like last month, this will be my first time looking at these numbers, so let's go ahead and get the settings in here. All right, whoa, look at this, 765 up to 775. Now, this is a rolling yearly number. Let's take a look when it's monthly. Wow. Look at this, all from August, just tumbling all the way down, and then just April, May, June. Wow. And check out new listings. So for new listings, we are down. So instead of continuing our trend upward and getting more inventory, we actually slowed down on the rolling average. Let's see for monthly. And we basically stagnated. So May was $9.99, June $9.98. Okay, well, shameless plug. If you need help buying or selling, then go ahead and click that Calendly link down below and let's get you started today. Third up, pending sales. All right. Sales are down, which probably can be attributed to the lack of new inventory. Let's take a look at monthly. And this is showing sales are going up on the monthly. Same thing, just kept dropping and then just right up again. So folks, if you have a home and you're watching this and you have that home in Westchester County or surrounding counties, this is great news. Let's get it on the market. Let's help out these buyers. Right now, on average, there's about 5 offers to every home nationwide. So bidding wars, more money, come on. Fourth up, days on market. And it's down. And monthly, it's down. We are now down to 18 days on the market. 18 days from the time it's listed to when it's locked under contract. These are lightning fast. So it looks like maybe there was a breath, right? If we're looking at pending sales, like right here, maybe this breath of fresh air just really helped all the vendors in the game, like attorneys, appraisers, lenders. Maybe it helped them catch up, and that's why we're seeing days on market going even less than before. Fifth up, and last but not least, the amount of homes available for sale. Okay, on a rolling 12 months, basically it's just been going lower and lower and lower. And then on a monthly, I'm assuming it's going to be doing the same thing. Trickled up right here. That January-March mark, just, I guess not as many people were buying. They were waiting, and then it just whoop right back up again. And now we're down again. So now let's also look at the month supply. This tells us if no new inventory comes on the market, how long will it take for us to sell our current inventory? And as we can see, on a yearly, we are down from 3.2. Now we're down to 3. And on a monthly, we're kind of hovering here. So if no new homes came on the market, in 2 months from now, there won't be a single home available for you to purchase. That's what these numbers are telling us. These numbers are telling us that inventory is just so low and the demand is so high right now that we can buy everything on the market in the next 2 months. Think about that. So like I mentioned, if you're a seller and you're on the fence and you're not sure about it, I mean, opportunity right now is golden. If you're a buyer, rates really haven't done much since last month. They've, up a little, down a little, up a little, down a little, but nothing that, is shocking. And I don't really foresee anything shocking happening in the next month or two. Should this Delta thing get even worse? Okay, maybe that could really change things. But I mean, the way we are right now, I don't foresee any major changes to the market. However, if these unemployments do end up running out in September and this Delta variant is on a runaway, they already closed up things all around the world. I guess as of today, the Olympic Games, you're not even allowed to go to. So like, these are things that are all happening on a day-to-day basis. So all we can do right now as agents, as buyers, as sellers, is really just track the market. But one thing that will always stand true, no matter what happens to this market, is the law of supply and demand. Right now, demand's up here, supply's down here. So unless we can somehow bridge this gap and bring the inventory from a 2-month to right around a 4-month, it's really just going to be the same thing. It's really going to be the same thing. Is there going to be another wave of buyers that flee the city because of fears of this new one? I don't know. It'll be very interesting to see. However, like I said, all we can do right now is monitor it. If you do need help, there's a Calendly link down below. Feel free, reach out to me. It is a good a time as any to buy something. Rates are super low. If you need to get into something, then it's a great time. Start paying your equity. Even if the market drops, who cares? As long as you keep paying your bills, it doesn't matter. If you pay your bills on time, it doesn't matter if the value of your home goes down. Because one thing is for certain. History has repeated this over and over and over again. Real estate is cyclical. There's going to be periods of time where it goes down. Who cares? Just keep building up equity. If you want to buy something now and sell it in 1 year, would I recommend that? Maybe not. Now, I was hoping by now that we'd have more homes available for sale. A lot of buyers would have found homes and the markets would start to slow down. But I can say this, on the outskirts of Westchester County, so Rockland County, Orange County, Dutchess, Putnam, we are seeing a bit of a slowdown compared to what it was. However, there's still fierce competition out there. So get pre-approved. If you want to watch a video, how to win a highest and best, you can click right here. And for next month's video and for more great videos about real estate, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, ding the bell, and I will see you here next time. I'm your host, Jimmy Odone, and this was the Sigma Real Estate Market Update.